It's moving day. The way that I'm going to miss sitting here and having this background as my vlogging background so much. Good morning everybody and welcome back to a new vlog. Today's date is Saturday, August 31st, and today is moving day. Today, Sean and I are moving into our new apartment together. We spent the past month looking for apartments in San Francisco to live in together for the next year, and we found one that we absolutely loved. It's in the Sunset District, so currently where I'm living as well. It's really close to where I live right now, but it is a 1-bed, 1-bath apartment, and we are so excited and we love it so much. And today is Saturday, so this is the first of our moving days. We are going to be doing so much today. It's currently 9:14 a.m. We're meeting the landlord at 10:30 to grab the keys from him. It's gonna be a crazy day. I just had some breakfast. I've been packing up my room. I don't know how much you can see, but I have like bags everywhere. I started packing throughout the week and I would do like an hour or two of packing every day, and so like at this point I would say I have almost everything packed. I'm gonna get a little ready. Gosh, we have a lot to do today. Obviously actually moving into our place and moving all of our personal belongings. We also have some furniture to pick up today as well. So 10:30 a.m. we're getting our keys. 11 a.m. we are picking up a dining table, and then we have like a couple of hours to take a break when we're gonna go look at mattresses. At 2 I'm picking up a desk. 2:30 we're picking up the couch. And I think that is it. But it's gonna be a packed weekend. Luckily, it is also a long weekend. It's Labor Day on Monday, so we get Monday off. Thank goodness we had that extra day to move in and pack and just unwind. But it should be a lot of fun, and I'm so excited to take the vlog with me. Oh, I think Sean is leaving now. So yes, he's in San Jose right now packing up all of his stuff, and he's driving up to San Francisco right now, which is about an hour of a drive, and I'm going to make him breakfast when he gets here because I don't think he's eaten anything yet. But we will take you guys along with us on this very fun day. Stack my stuff here. I'm working on moving everything out of my room, and I need to pack up my bedding. Back when I was part of Kesem in college, one of like my first most major roles was operations coordinator, and as an ops coordinator, like part of your job is planning big events and preparing for big events like reunions, friends and family days, camp. And so part of my job as an ops coord, I spent so much time like packing stuff like literally just packing stuff up, like packing supplies, organizing supplies, moving them. And there are like still a lot of habits that I take with me in my life now. And like one example is what I'll do, and like what I used to do as an ops coord was I would like put a label on like a piece of painter's tape like this, and then I'll take this little label off and then like wrap it around the handle of one of the bags. So not the actual bag itself, because then it can get like scratched, it can get like removed or whatever, but I'll put it on the handle so that it sticks out, and I'll fold it on itself with the handle in between like the sticky parts of the tape so that it's like a little tag. So see, I just kind of tag my bags, and that's what I've been doing since I worked on ops, because I think like if you put it on the side, it could like poke. If I like wrote with the pen on the side of the bag, I feel like it could poke through. It's also hard to read, hard to keep track of, so I just got into the habit of tagging my bags. It's time for us to go pick up the keys now, but I didn't have time to like load up my car and drive it there. Plus there's like only one car spot there right now. Sean just got to the apartment, so we're gonna go over there, unload his car first, and then come back to mine and unload mine. But everything's pretty much packed. I just have to load my car up and then get everything over. Okay, so we unloaded all of Sean's stuff in the new apartment, and it's 11:47. We're going to pick up our dining table set right now from someone from Facebook Marketplace in Lower Pack Heights. So Sean and I are both driving separately to pick up this dining table set, and then we're gonna bring it to our new apartment. I have a dining table and chairs in my car, and I'm so surprised that all of it fit. Like, look at this. Crazy. Okay, we're going to the new place now and gonna drop off all of our stuff. A U-Haul 1 hour is over $100. We're at Mancini's Sleep World now, about to get a mattress. Let's go look at mattresses. Literally do not know. All these mattresses seem the exact same to me, I'm not gonna lie. I've like actually never been inside a mattress store before in my life. Update, we got a desk. Now we're going to Sean's place to pick up some stuff really quick and then getting our couch. We're about to pick up the couch now, and we got a TaskRabbit to help us out. I have no idea where they are though. We got a couch. We are currently waiting for the TaskRabbit to come help us pick up our couch, and then we need to take a break because we've been moving non-stop since 10:30 in the morning, and it's now past 2:30. So we'll have the TaskRabbit come get the couch, bring it to our new place, and then we'll get like a really late lunch, take a break. Then we have to move all of my stuff from my house to the new place. So we're not done yet, we're almost there. It smells like pee where I'm sitting, but it's fine. The TaskRabbit is gonna be here in 10 minutes, and I am literally just sitting on the curb having a break. Sean is inside calling like some mattress people. I don't know. But I'm sitting on the curb, photosynthesizing and getting some sun and having a nice little break before we gotta keep moving our couch. We have a couch! Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is gonna be our couch. I'm so out of breath right now. This is gonna be our couch. We're gonna mount a TV right there, and then we'll have the dining table there. Oh my god, everything's coming together. We have our bedroom. We're gonna have, yeah, 2 nightstands there. A desk probably here on this side. Wow, wait, Sean, this looks just like your room. I'm so happy. And Sean was able to bring his old coffee table. So we have a coffee table. We're gonna put the TV there. We think in this corner, we're gonna get like a big seat, just like a big chair, like a big comfy reading nook or something like that. But oh my god, it's starting to come together so well. It is now 3:52, so almost 4 p.m. We're really tired and we're gonna grab some lunch. So we're gonna go out to just like Inner Sunset, walk around, get a bite to eat for lunch. And then we're getting a mattress delivered. Oh my god, our bedroom too looks just like Sean's old bedroom, but we're gonna get a mattress delivered soon from like 5 to 7. And our bathroom is so nice. And then we have to move all of my stuff, and then we're done for the day. So we're gonna take a little break and get some food because it's 4 p.m. and we haven't had lunch. Just moved all of my stuff upstairs. We moved that dresser, it was so heavy. Most of my things, I should say most. Like I would say like this is 80% of my stuff. Beyond exhausted right now. But the good news is like the hardest part of our day is done. Like at this point we've moved the bulk of the items. Like everything left in my house is pretty small for the most part, and there's like not that much. So we're really tired. We also met one of our neighbors next door. She's a doctor at UCSF, so cool. But it's 5:45. We have a mattress being delivered at 6 p.m. So in the meantime, we're gonna start building our dining table. We have to build the bed frame, which is gonna take a long time too. But yeah, it's already past 5:30 and the day went by so quickly. Look at this gorgeous queen mattress. It is so massive and very soft, and it's so lovely. Very, very heavy. And now has taken up our entire room. And now we have a dining table! Yay! Wait, I love how it looks. We've made amazing progress. The bathroom is so clean. I like literally traditional Chinese it, got on my hands and knees and wiped the floor. But the bathroom is, I like set up almost all of my stuff. And then we have like this little, I actually don't have that many toiletries. And also under the sink space, which is fantastic. My side of the closet, I'm like starting to put stuff in, but like clearly it's very unfinished. That's probably gonna be most of the moving content I get tonight. I'll check in with the vlog tomorrow morning because we also have a full day of like cleaning and moving in tomorrow. Bye! Good morning everybody and happy day 2 of moving. Today is Sunday, September 1st. I think it's the first day of September and it is our second full day in our new apartment. Look at the background. I'm still not used to the background yet. But like I mentioned, it's a Sunday. We woke up pretty early today. Right now it's only 8:30 and we're like pretty much all ready to head out the door. We are going to first stop by my house and make some breakfast. Then we are spending pretty much the day in San Jose, packing up all of Sean's stuff, cleaning up his house, just fully moving him out of San Jose. I'm really glad this weekend is a 3-day weekend because we don't feel super stressed to go to work tomorrow. Like we have all tomorrow off because of Labor Day. So it gives us an extra full day of like moving, getting settled in, cleaning, etc. But happy Sunday. Let's make today another fantastic moving day. We're in San Jose now and stopped at Dunkin' Donuts to get coffee because there isn't Dunkin' in San Francisco. I only get it when I come to San Jose. Bum 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 bum. We are now at Home Depot to get a tool for the TV and bed. I like Home Depot. All of the Halloween decor is already out. Oh my god. Wait, it's actually so scary. I like don't even want to try them. Wait, they're so creepy. We're packing up Sean's old place in San Jose. Walk? Yeah. Yeah, we can't leave our cars. Noah and Auditor are also packing up all their stuff and their entire house is like empty now. It's actually really sad. Look, everything's gone. It's 12:30 right now. I think we're all gonna go grab some lunch because we've been moving and packing in San Jose. So much to do and like I feel like you don't realize how much you own until you have to move all of it. I'm very, very tired today. I think it's also because we just did not sleep super well last night. But we are stopping to grab gas at Costco on our way back up to the city. We have a car full of Sean's things from his old house. Exactly. We're gonna drive up to the city now, unload it. I was really bad at vlogging the rest of the afternoon because I was just so tired. But after we got gas at Costco, we came home, unloaded Sean's car, quickly went back to my house to grab some random stuff, unloaded that, and then we've been at home just like cleaning, putting things away. The apartment is making amazing progress. It's currently 8:30. Sean and I are about to make some dinner. We like have all of our food and stuff here now so we can actually like cook in the house. I think we're gonna try to also set up the TV tonight so we can watch TV, although we can't mount it quite yet, but it's like nearing the end of the day. We were both exhausted. We added a rug to our living room, and then also I have my plant, and we put a little sunset lamp in the corner as well. We've got a sunset lamp over there, but the living room is really coming together. Our kitchen is also almost completely moved in. I love this corner so much. For Sean's birthday, our friend group pitched in and got him a customized engraved cutting board, so it looks so good. I just bought a new kettle. But yeah, like we also just added stuff to our fridge. Freezer is also pretty much full. I'm probably going to just unwind for the night because it's been a really exhausting and long day. By the end of the day tomorrow, we are going to be completely moved in because I'm going to be bringing like the last of my kitchen stuff. I just have plates and glasses and just like dishware. I think tomorrow morning we're picking up some more furniture. We're getting a toaster, getting a TV stand, a trash can. That's gonna be it for today's portion of the vlog. I'm gonna put all my electronics away, but we'll see you in the morning.